So you just bought an InnoPro camera and you want to connect it to your network. You open up the box and see this beautifully made camera tail. But when you go to hook it up, you realize there's no outlet nearby to hook up the power. What the f? There must be another way. There is, and we sell it. The Dakota Micro InnoPro R Series IP extension cable. We got a 25-footer, DMIP MEC 25, and a 50-footer, DMIP MEC 50. See what we did there? 25, 50, and the part number. We like to keep it classy and simple. This way you can connect your extension cable by the router and power it up. These cables come with a heavy-duty Cat5e cable on one end and an M12 male connector on the other, which plugs into the InnoPro with a watertight connection to reduce vibration, moisture, and dust. The cable kit also comes with a 12-volt power over Ethernet injector box, which allows both power and video to run through the Ethernet cable. It also comes with this cute short Ethernet cable on the other side to connect to your router or switch. These cables come with a 1-year warranty and are made in the USA with global components. Now, what if you run out of power outlets for all of your InnoPros? Buy one of these sexy power adapters on Amazon and one of these octopus-looking power splitter cables on Amazon. That's not what it's called. Don't look it up like that on Amazon. But then you can power up to 8 InnoPros using just one plug. You can send me a heartfelt thank you card later. It's fine. Visit our InnoPro product page on our website to see all of our InnoPro cables and more. We even have a whole page dedicated to them because we're that confident that we have the right cable for you. All of these cables are built to last, and they're tougher than listening to your grandpa's stories about walking to school uphill both ways in a snowstorm. And the best part is they're made right here in the USA because we believe in building things right the first time. That's still hanging there on my camera. That's best one yet. Yes!